Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. Will Ripple XRP price advance towards 87 cents after recent stellar performance? Ripple's XRP price has shown signs of strength at the beginning of the week. The price after weeks-long consolidation gives breakout on February 4th. At the press time, XRP trades at 77 cents, with more than 150% rise in volumes at $2,903,341,092. Ripple XRP price records massive gains on the first trading of the week. As per CoinMarketCap, XRP is outperforming the rest of the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Price surges more than 28% since EMS. These could be developed by the SDF or they could use an existing programming language. Who will benefit the most from smart contracts on Stellar? The nonprofit organization will have three priorities when selecting a programming language, as Weller said: safety, scalability, and equitable access. At the moment, the VP for Tech Strategy believes there is not one off the shelf that fits the bill. In that sense, he claimed they are currently looking into existing networks and learning a lot to evaluate the components that work. The Stellar ecosystem will apparently have a voice at choosing this key element of its smart contract functionalities. Weller added, for users, DeFi on Stellar means direct access to a global network of on and off ramps. The latest player to join, MoneyGram, will provide crypto cash conversions in 300,000 locations around the world. As the alt lost nearly 63.4% from 10 November and hit its 13-month low on 24 February. Meanwhile, the 50 EMA, red, was a strong selling point that shunned most bullish recovery attempts. However, the mid-March bullish revival propelled a much-desired hike that halted at the 23 cents level. Since then, the sellers have reignited their sway, whilst the 20 EMA jumped below the long-term EMAs. A potential break above the $0.2 resistance would be possible if the buyers reclaim their supremacy above the POC. But before that, it would likely continue to be in a tight phase near its liquidity range. On the flip side, a fall below the $0.190 mark would lead to a delayed recovery towards the $0.2 zone. Lumenswap, a Stellar-based decentralized exchange, is excited to announce its DAO service, allowing projects to bring full democratization functionality to the network. Lumenswap's DAO aims to provide the community with the power to actively participate in a project's future through voting and other decision-making processes. Through the DAO, Lumenswap also hopes to help project owners distribute the authority to its community. Launched in 2021, Lumenswap has made significant milestones on its 10-step roadmap. The development team, led by Vladimir Koldenko, Lumenswap CEO and co-founder, started redesigning the swap section. For the second milestone, Lumenswap designed and integrated the spot section, followed by the introduction of the LSP asset. Later, the development team designed and implemented the Academy, the OPM client, the lottery client, and the auction client. Right on schedule, the team has now accomplished its 9th milestone, designing and implementing their DAO client. According to the Lumenswap team, the DAO client has the necessary modules for a standard DAO to allow all Stellar ecosystem projects to run their governance processes. Lumenswap chooses to use the Stellar network for its DAO due to the low transaction fees. This will enable community members to participate in different governance processes without spending too much of their assets. In addition, the network will hunt ahead of well-known projects like OV and PancakeSwap. Thorchain core developer Chad Bareford tweeted this development. Following this, the price of Rune spiked by 34% in a day. Its value increased by 21% over the past 24 hours, to rest at $5.27. Although, at press time, the price had settled under the $5 mark with a 3% hike in 24 hours. Finding my trigger cross-chain protocol Thorchain went live with synthetic assets trading on its platform earlier on 10 March. This caused the price of its native token Rune to jump as discussed above. Notably, crypto synthetics, or synths, are derivative tokens of other digital assets, pegged to the value of the underlying collateralized assets such as Bitcoin or Ether. Using Rune as an intermediary allowed for the trading of assets from one network to be traded for another in a decentralized manner without using smart contract-based bridges. Interestingly, synthetics such as synthetic BTC, SBTC, and synthetic ETH are traded on the network. In a blog post, the team highlighted a few advantages of this development. It noted, synths have great utility for traders and arbitrageurs, as they can be transacted nearly instantly and at a fraction of the cost compared to native one-layer swaps. Well, in the future, it would allow Thorchids to earn yield with synths thanks to vaults. And it would also provide other exciting Thorfy utilities. Core developer Chad Bareford reiterated the importance of freshly launched synths via Twitter. In 2023, XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. XLM rate prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, XLM is expected to have a maximum value of $2. The minimum bet could rise to $1.65 if the market turns bullish. XLM rate prediction 2028. The value of Stellar will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. XLM is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.86 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that the future of Stellar will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of XLM will be between $2.24 and $2.31 expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of XLM ranges from $2.24 to $2.86 for 2028.